In today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best electric screwdrivers available on the market. We've done the hard work for you by researching extensively and going through numerous real user reviews to create this list. If you want more details or the latest pricing on any of the electric screwdrivers mentioned, make sure to check the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Now, let's dive in. Number 5, Hormy E12V Cordless Impact Screwdriver. The Hormy E12V Cordless Impact Screwdriver is a powerful and versatile DIY tool. It delivers high-speed performance with 2,500 RPM, while its all-copper motor ensures durability. Equipped with LED lighting, it provides visibility in dim areas, and its battery-powered display helps monitor usage. Lightweight and easy to handle, it's ideal for a variety of tasks. At $41.40, 53% off, this efficient screwdriver is a great value for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. Number 4, WIDEEP Brushless Cordless Drill Screwdriver. The WIDEEP Brushless Cordless Drill Screwdriver is perfect for home improvement projects. Powered by a 16.8V battery and a brushless motor, it offers extended runtime and reduced maintenance. Its universal charger adapter ensures worldwide compatibility, while its compact design and strong torque make it suitable for versatile tasks. At $33.48, 55% off, it's an excellent choice for reliable performance at a great price. Number 3, LYUWO 16V Cordless Drill Screwdriver. The LYUWO 16V Cordless Drill Screwdriver is built for demanding projects. With a 16.8V battery, 160 Nm torque, and 3000 RPM speed, it handles tough jobs effortlessly. Its brushless motor ensures smooth operation and extended durability. Lightweight and ergonomic, it minimizes fatigue during use. Priced at just $29.86, 54% off, it's a cost-effective and reliable tool for both commercial and household tasks. Number 2, Gisam Cordless Drill. The Gisam Cordless Drill offers versatility and precision for DIY tasks. Featuring 25/3 torque settings and 2-speed options, it adapts to various applications. The high-efficiency motor delivers up to 28 Nm torque, while 2 Li-ion batteries provide extended usage. Compact and user-friendly, it's perfect for home projects. At $39.47, 42% off, this cordless drill offers excellent value for its performance and convenience. Number 1, WORX WX242 Smart Cordless Screwdriver. The WORX WX242 Smart Cordless Screwdriver is designed for DIY enthusiasts and professionals. It features a 2Ah battery with USB-C fast charging, offering extended runtime and quick power-ups. With 7-gear torque adjustment and a 320 RPM speed, it ensures precision and efficiency. Compact and ergonomic, it's easy to handle for any task. At $34.12, 60% off, it's a premium tool at an unbeatable price.